Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a beach waves hair tutorial. So how to get those perfect waves in your hair, I'll be showing you that with very easy simple steps. First of all, you have to divide your hair into two sections with the help of a tail comb from the first center of your head to the end center of your head, like this. So you have to divide these hair and tie it with the help of a section clip, like this. I am using the Toni and Guy crocodile section clips. You can use any one as section clips which is available with you. Now, taking the half partition of the hair, we have to divide the hair into two sections from the center of the hair to the end of the hairline where your ear meets. Like this, we have to tie the hair and repeat the process on the other partition as well. This partition is called radial section. After this, we have to take the back partition of the hair and then we have to draw a horizontal line with the help of a tail comb like this, and tying the other hair with the help of a section clip. We will blow dry the lower portion of the hair with the help of a blow dryer like this. And yes, this is the most important step in hairstyling because it helps us to bring out the moisture from hair, which might create a problem in the hairstyling later on. Now again we will take a horizontal section of the hair and repeat the same process. And yes guys, let me tell you one thing, that the blow dryer which I am using is of Vega brand and it's above 2000 watts. So make sure if you are using any blow dryer for professional use, it should be either 2000 watts or above. And the brushes which I am using are of Roots brand, so you can use any brushes which is available with you. Now I have taken another section of hair and will repeat the same process. After that, we'll move forward to the front section of the hair and repeat the same process. Like this, we are going to repeat the blow drying process for all the hair. And once the blow drying is completed, we are going to tie all the hairs in the same sections as we divided earlier. After that, we are going to take a horizontal section of the hair with the help of a tail comb like this and tying the rest of the hair with the help of a section clip. Now we'll start doing beach waves, but before starting, make sure guys to wear a glove on your hand so that you won't burn your hand with the heat of the machine. Now we'll take a curler machine or tong machine, whatever you can say, and start wrapping the hair inside out, twisting them in each turn. And after unfolding the hair, you have to properly shake the strand of the hair to get the perfect waves. So you can have a look how perfect waves look like. Now moving forward, we'll take another section of the hair. And yes guys, I want to tell you one thing, that always use the smallest tong whichever is available with you, because only then you will get the perfect waves. So we are done with another section of the hair, and moving forward to the front section of the hair, we'll take out the shoe box section with the help of a tail comb like this. Then taking another section of the hair from the other partition, we'll combine both the sections of the hair and tie them in this way, like you can have a look. So moving forward, we'll repeat the same process for both the front sections of the hair, and we will do the same for the shoebox section as well. And this is the end part of the hairstyle. Now this is the final look which came out. You can have a look at it guys, and make sure guys, please try this hairstyle at home and leave a comment below how your hairstyle came out. Thanks for watching my video guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, give me a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.